Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to talk about how to fix suspicious login problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to fix the suspicious login, you just simply have to open your Twitter application into your computer. And now after opening the Twitter page, you just simply have to go into this notification panel into here, and into notification you will get a notification which will show that your account was logged into a new device. Just simply click into that notification which you find suspicious, and after clicking into that notification it will show something like this tab. Now in order to fix the security problem, just simply click to this change password and then enter your current password in top, and then set a new password into second box and repeat the same password into the last box, and then click to this save button after entering your new password into these two boxes. Then after saving, your account password will be updated and your account will be safe. By following these very easy steps, you can easily fix the suspicious login of your Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.